So what we're gonna do is I beat it, well not beat it, I'm sorry. I make the little crumbs. I'm doing it like if I'm making biscuits. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. I messed up too. Milk to that. Less than 1/4 of a cup. Okay, I just turned off the Brussels sprouts and the corn. It's a little too wet, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Just be extra moist. Dumplings. And like I said, my show, as an amateur, I should be more professional about it, but you know, like I say, I like you guys on the journey with me. If I make mistakes, I make mistakes. If it comes out, it comes out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Pretty much what you see is what you get, but do it your way where it is cooked. I mean, I don't leave my food raw, but you know, I don't know, I can't explain it right now. So we're gonna use a spoon. Got the fork. We're just gonna get little scoops about that. And get in the pot. I'm using a frying pan. I'll see that the mixture thickened up more. I learned this from Sonny Anderson, that when you're cooking potatoes or mashed potatoes, use chicken broth instead of water, because water is just no flavor. And you know, the chicken broth has seasonings and everything that over. If you buy real, make it homemade that way you have to like. Oh, the little cherry tomatoes, there was 8 of them. Be careful with those things squirt. Got all over my wall and everything. I have to wipe that down, of course. So here's a good size chicken breast, boneless, skinless. I use my little knives. I use whatever, you know, kind of looks like a glove. You could see like the hand right there and then the thumb right there. Anyway, I don't know why I said that, so I'm just gonna cut it up so it'll cook faster. And I'll be right back. I'll leave it rolling. And what Rachel Ray inspired me to do is, well, not just me, I mean anybody that watches her